Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a hide UI button in Roblox Studio. So firstly you need to open Roblox Studio, then head to My Games, then open the game you want to add the hide GUI button into. So I'll select this game. Now let the game load properly. After the game loads, from the toolbox section under the models tab, search for hide GUI. After that, many scripts will pop up in front of you, which all in fact hide the GUI or UI of the game. I'll just select the first one, left click. Then it will ask you to permit him to insert it. Click on OK. Now the hide GUI button is in here, so we'll just take it to the starter GUI file. Now it is in the starter GUI file and you can see that the button has popped up on our screen. Now in order to make it work, we will just add a GUI into our game, which can be anything. So I'll just add this Game Pass GUI into our game. Click OK. Now you need to drag this GP Shop UI folder into starter GUI folder and just delete this. Now you can see that a shop menu has appeared in our screen. Now if we click on the play button, you will see that the shop GUI is here, and if we click on it, different shop items pop up. Now if you click on the hide UI button, this will disappear, which essentially means the hide GUI button is working. So this is how you can get a hide UI or GUI button in your Roblox Studios game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.